We are passionate about empowering businesses and individuals with cutting-edge AI knowledge and solutions. Your feedback fuels our innovation and inspires us to keep delivering excellence. We're incredibly thankful for reviews like this one.
Greg has a passion for everything AI and how to use AI to grow your business. He is constantly testing and learning about new technologies and tools. He then applies what he learns to his clients' businesses and in conferences and workshops.
We're committed to delivering the best in AI knowledge and solutions to help you stay ahead in this ever-evolving world of technology. Thanks for watching. We're dedicated to delivering the best in AI knowledge and innovation. Ready to take the next step? Visit mappingyourmarketing.com/AI to explore more. See you there.